Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Thursday today. Looking at these markets for a short. Yesterday after CPI meeting, check out what happened on NASDAQ, bro. Insane move. We were trading earlier that day. We were down here. We were able to profit. But before news came out, look at that. Almost 2,000 point move in 2 hours. Ridiculous, man. Right now we're just trying to see what the market's trying to do. It is currently 7:44. 15-minute about to close in 20 seconds. Getting a lot of wick rejections right here. Too shabby. Got some supply in there. They close bullish. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and short this market right now. Why? Because I just showed you guys that we were overbought basically. Market's been in a downtrend since yesterday after that big move. I was gonna take it up here, but market just started moving. So we're in one contract. Not looking for nothing too crazy. We could get a little sweep down here. We'll hold. We get a sweep here. I'm holding till this liquidity do its thing, man. Not tripping. One con. I was looking for buys. Then how this 15-minute just closed low. Liquidity grab above here. Smart money try. Trading both accounts now. So be patient. Trading MNQ. One contract on each account. I'm logging in Trade right now so I can manage the positions better, but let the market do its thing. We're overbought because of yesterday, so smart money can do whatever it wants. Logging in the Trade is doing its thing. So we have all our technicals done here. As you can see, we've been in a bearish market, right? Supply zones up here. Mid-range of London session. Supply zone respected. Clearly another 5-minute supply that I caught. Pre-market. We get the first sweep of where I wanted to go pretty soon. Letting the market do its thing. This would be a great exit over here. Even potentially here. We got some sell side. See what our fibs are doing in that golden zone. Be able to take this shorter. Should be able to, but we'll see what happens. I switch over to my third account. Trade of 8. We're good. Market gonna respect this little area. Continue down. Getting pin bar rejection. 1 minute. Doesn't really matter. That doji is kind of ugly. Go ahead and put a sell limit order in there. Excuse me, I mean a buy limit. In case market does go up. Buy stop. Manage that risk. Bro, there's actually no way. I wasn't recording. That's crazy. I don't know if it stopped recording or what happened, but we were in shorts in this position and we were able to profit. I just went in with one contract. We melted, and then I was calling out that came back to basically supply zone respected. I had placed a sell limit order. We all know every time I place a sell limit order, the market wants to leave by a couple ticks. That's exactly what happened. As soon as this 1 minute candle closed, right here, this one, I went in with the sell limit order. Got finesse, bro. Didn't stop me in, but now we're just seeing. I think if market wants to continue selling or come back, respect midpoint, and then continue to sell off, which I'm hoping, because I could have taken both these trades. I only took this one trade. I hesitated here, although I knew what was happening, called it out. It is what it is. That's the markets, man. Being patient. It's 8:20. Started trading today at around 7:20. Got in my first position around 7:40, so 7:40 to 8. 20 minutes of work. Now we're just being patient, trying to see what the market's gonna do here. Could take a little buy up, but should take the buy up because momentum is all dying down here. Buyers are stepping in. Don't want to go against the majority, get caught up with the minority, so just stay patient. If the market gives us another opportunity before 9 o'clock, love to see it come at least above here. Let it do its thing, man. The trades that I took today, let me show you. So the trades I took today, right, we risked one contract, hit basically a 1 to, I don't know why it says 1 to 6 here. I didn't know if the risk was gonna be a little more than what we were anticipating because of how the markets have been with spread and whatnot. So I went in one contract and clearly margin is back to normal. Went in one contract, basically stop loss of 50 points just because I was being safe. Clearly didn't over leverage. I didn't take 2 contracts. Trusting my system. Secured profit. As soon as we got down here, I seen volume die down. So closed the position. I was commentating on what was happening here. And then as I look at my OBS, I'm not even recording, bro. Disappointing, but we put in that market order, the $100, risking 100 of the 300 we made today on this account. The other account we made 274. Not too shabby. It's looking like this trade is just gonna melt. Carry on with the momentum, and I already know they're gonna be following. Bro, let me show you how my setup works. Fibonacci, swing high. From the swing high to swing low, we're going all the way to my Fibonacci points. On the way to first TP of Fibonacci, come all the way down here. This demand zone that I have right here, very high point of entry. I only want to take trade if we go the midpoint of this range, almost 200 points, and it's 8 o'clock. You guys understand? So what happens, man? Sometimes the markets leave you, all because I put a sell limit. Execution is key, even by seconds. Could have re-entered on the 10 bar rejection, but staying true to myself. Not really anything, just being really logical with these trades, just trying to work on my patience, my trade management. As you guys saw me working right here, moved break even, moved in TP, we kept going down, kept moving my trailing stop loss. So execution is exactly what I'm working on. You're the only one here? Why? Be safe. All right, no plays accumulating for us, man. We could have literally profited on that. Momentum's dying. Indecision. Some indecision down here might go up a little bit. Market just kept melting. melting, boys. Would have been a great position to be a part of, but it's okay, right? This is an amazing push. At least come back to this supply zone, man. Just trying to figure out what to do. It's possible we get a little liquidity run. Staying patient. I'm telling you, we might not even get presented with an opportunity short, but we'll keep our eye on the market, and if it wants to give us it, then it gives us it. If not, then it's okay. It's just shorting, man. I think I'm just gonna close out trading view. I don't want to get too overzealous, or yeah, this is eating up my Fibonacci DP right now. Man, that would have been awesome. The 1-8, $100 risk, little $800 on this trade. I claim it as mine, bro. I was gonna take the trade, and I knew where we were headed. Didn't put life capital to play, but we did take the first trade. I did, before the video got cut off, explain what was happening here. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Yo, that is so funny. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Scammers. These charts are professional scammers. Literally, bro. It's funny. We're just gonna keep on melting, bro. Just to show you guys, I'm literally certain that it's just gonna keep on melting and just hit that fat take profit. As I said, we're not in this trade. We would have been in this trade, but that's the market. It happens to the best of us. It happens to all of us. I'm not gonna be upset about it. I did take my trade. I got my money for the day. I'm not tripping. You know what I mean? I 1 hour pusher, man. Could literally start looking for, if I wanted to, start looking for a degenerate buy. We got 25 minutes on that close, and then the 30-minute literally trying to claim that liquidity of this candle. Let's see what happens. 5 minutes not gonna hold. Once we see some more signs of rejected, we'll go ahead and deploy some capital. 5-minute doji, that's valuable. Now this 3-minute closes. We could get a break above here and hold past the SMT. We did claim that sell side. Let's see what happens. Went all the way to basically 18.4. Give me a close above 18.5, man. We're buying. Give me a close above 18.5. It's gonna happen, bro. All right. Not gonna do anything dumb. Just want to see what's gonna happen. But as I said, if we do come close above 18.5s, we are gonna buy. Go ahead and remove this sell limit. Don't even want a possibility. If we get a double bottom, we good, man. This flattens out to become a doji. It's just for sure oversold, overextended. And that is what I just called. That is what I wanted to see. Still too early for me. Like that. Don't like that. I'm gonna push through. Let's see. Remember, you can't have a bias. You just gotta be able to understand what is currently happening. Market goes up, goes down. Consolidating right here. Respecting this little zone. Potential demand zone. The bias is changing a little bit, but I would only enter in with momentum. And the way these candles have been losing volume to the downside, we could potentially see big expansion. If we do, I wanted to close above 18.5. When we do, I'll go ahead and look for a 1 contract buy, maybe just $100, $200, and close out. Be done for the day. Not really looking to make too much money. Just want to see if the opportunity rises. As a matter of fact, 18.5 will buy 1 contract. Stop loss of $100. 200 ticks. That's what, 20 points. 50 pips. 150 ticks is about 37 pips. Stay patient. Let's see what happens. Looks like it wants to now. A lot of indecision. Buy limit melted. Has been going crazy, man. South side continuation. Most likely gonna come hit that low now. It's not a buyer's market yet. Maybe after this close, but for sure at least coming down here. That wants to hunt the liquidity. And momentum is dying. Alright, buy me in. I'm in with 1 con. Does this want to move 100 points more down? We have already moved 300 points. It's crazy. He literally would have been a part of that trade. We got the baby brother over here. Just wish I was recording when I had said what was going on and how I was trying to go about it. I don't know how I stopped the recording. I'm pretty sure I have the beginning of the sessions, just not sure how it stopped. I didn't press the hotkey or anything. This hour is no joke. That side liquidity was just touched. 1 contract. Order filled. 1 contract. We're accepting. Clearly know that we're in a seller's market, but we're coming to the end of what I would say push. We're running 2 plays here. Whatever the market wants to be generous with. Reason I'm taking this buy is because not only are we in profit today, I'm willing to give this an easy 150 point headroom. Why? Because bro, look, from where we could have entered when the trade actually started moving, we're already down almost 400 points. Literally 400 points. You think that's gonna hold, bro? No. There's an imbalance, inefficiency. So buyers are gonna have to step in, start hitting people's break-even stop losses and sell limit orders or buy limit orders on their position. So we gotta go up. Won't claim everyone's gonna start taking profit, generating sell side liquidity if that's the case. But what I'm expecting is from this 400 point move, we already done liquidated most retail traders that were trying to buy on every candle. So now that we're in this high point of interest area, which is that 1 hour supply, we can hold the trade for a little longer, being that institutions and banks are going to start milking the market. And we got 5 minutes to close of that hour, so we'll see what we can do. We'll leave it at 75 pips for now. Let it do its thing. We'll get a little run over here. Probabilities, bro. Not really looking for nothing too crazy. But yeah, we like to see that 5-minute rejection right there. This 5-minute might just try to scare us, or it might come down with volume, bro. It could be both situations. Anticipate the worst, just so you guys, so we can limit risk. Put a sell limit, sell stop, 100 pips away, 18.47. We might just get caught up with the retail side though. A wick rejection? Question mark. All right. Risk is managed. 100-point stop. About $100. Bro just kept shorting. Don't know how it's ending up to be around 200 though. Could be a forced breakout that we're watching. To 125 actually. This volume is strong, man. Let's see. Could have jumped in a little too early. No biggie. Buyer stepping in. Maybe, maybe not. Looks like they want to take control, but biting right now. First trend line break. Probably gonna get stomped right now. Psychological numbers. 205. Another 1 minute. $200 loss. 230. Damn, man. That just got overextended, man. Crazy. Breaking. Forced breakout right now. That one. Yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna enter in another contract because I think it's oversold. Doing another contract. We're gonna go for 15. All right. Let's see what I'm seeing. So we got overextended. I don't think it's gonna hold. This went from here. No being. Alright. Fuck. Could end up being bad, boys. I like that fucking breaker. Don't overextend. We are $100 out of pocket. 1,500. Say 150 points. Max stop loss. So we did hit my final TP with the Fibonacci retracement tool. So that's why I'm saying we're oversold. It's just his momentum has been very strong. We would hope to see buyers step in, but it's tough. All good. 15,130. Really, bro. Super overextended, boys. 18,100. I think it's not gonna hold, man. The reason I'm giving this trade, by the way, look, hold on. So yes, I did take this trade a little too early, but keep in mind, I am up in profit in the account as we speak. Both accounts were around $300 in profit. So that gives me $1,300 for the day risk before I hit my daily stop loss. It's typically 1,000, but since, and excuse the shirt, brother, the dogs were playing on it. As I was saying, we were in drawdown. We are currently in drawdown. Look, currently in drawdown about $200. So for the day, we are still profitable, $38 essentially, right? We are now overextended in this short position. We had seen a 500 pip move to the downside. We broke past a 1 hour trend line, forced breakout, liquidity grabbing. We're liquidity sweeping right now. What this momentum is showing me as we speak is that buyers want to take control of the market. I gave myself more and more headroom because I knew eventually the market was going to reverse. I'm only risking what I'm comfortable losing. So $300 plus, let's say, another 200 from out my pocket that I have in my account. But what we're trying to see now, so basically I'm still in my risk parameter for the day and I'm trading what I can afford to lose. Risk management, capital preservation. The reason I like to take small contract sizes is because I like to sometimes, I wouldn't call it hedging, I like to sometimes manage my stop loss if I know a big move is to come. And I'm expecting a big move to come right now in NASDAQ, hopefully to literally at least these areas, man. Even if it's a 1-to-1 with this 2 contract move, we'll be up. We'll be able to make some money. But of course, we still have to see the market do its thing. Right now, we did get a pullback. It could respect the zone though and then melt. That's the potential we're facing. So you guys understand why I'm doing that. We did have that 3-minute engulfing. Pretty sure we're gonna end up going higher from here, but just don't want to see this 5-minute get flattened. If we can close higher, that'd be great. But see how this stuff plays out, man. But yeah, that's my thought process behind this trade. I have the headroom to basically risk however I want, at least for now. But anyways, gonna let this trade do its thing. Sellers are stepping in. Could be a wick rejection. Boom. That's how it happens sometimes. But anyways, I don't want to sit here any longer and go through the motions. I'm just gonna let the trade play out. Does its thing. If not, then we shall be done. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this guy playing. I'll be back. Need to make some coffee. All right. I fucked up, man. Damn. Crazy. I did not see that coming. Really did not see that coming, boys. Did not see that coming at all. But you know what? Be damned if I'm gonna miss fucking trade, bro. I know we just got liquidity grab, but about to buy this 100K account. Give me a second, bro. Contracts on NQ. Just 2 contracts NQ. Fucking dumb. Literally starts shooting up now. How the that should go to 1,500. Close out. Holy shit, man. It's embarrassing. That's fucking embarrassing. How did that just happen? Yo, that's crazy, man. Hold on, man. Hold the fuck up. All right. I really made that mistake on the NASDAQ trade with that actual 100K account. Off the rate. That's literally what I did last time. Gotta manage my emotions better. You guys are gonna see me throughout the process of recovering, bro. I'm gonna trade all these accounts at once. Hopefully this account gets to the 1,500 though. I hope we extend upwards. Pretty sure we will for 10. But yeah, so basically from here we're gonna be trading all the accounts together essentially. I'm still gonna be doing my trading view analysis and whatnot, but that 100K account, I forgot that with the 100, you see it's because I'm used to the 50Ks, but with the 100K you have 2K drawdown, and I got smoked. I have 800 headroom, so I'm gonna have to build up capital, but it's unfortunate. I was up literally 1,500. I could have closed, but I was just tripping. All honesty, not tripping out. We'll get it going. I'm pretty sure this 5 minutes can extend. Holding pretty strong. See, bro, and we got wicked out. If we would have stood at 1 contract, bro, if I would have stood at 1 contract, that's always the case. If I would have stood at 1 contract, I would have had enough headroom to hold this position. But no, because I wanted to make more money, I entered in another contract with which ended up over leveraging me, getting me blown out of there. Oh, by 1,000. Matter of fact, know why I closed the trade, bro? Want to know why I closed the trade right now? So we're done trading for the day. We gave back some profits and we bought 2 more accounts. The reason I closed the trade is because, look, I gotta start reading this before I hop in any trade every single day, because they was sloppy. Immediately closed and done for the day at $1,000 profit. So the first trade, we were still able to take a second trade because we won, but we ended up losing the second trade because being over leveraged. Lost the second trade being over leveraged. Got stumped out because of margin. What did I do? I bought 2 accounts. One, I got hopeful. This 100K account, I got hopeful. Bro, I forget how quick NASDAQ moves. Like, this was a regular NASDAQ order. I don't want to talk about it. I was revenge trading. I revenge traded and I paid the consequence. So with this account, it's fine because I have $800 headroom to grow it, but now I'm gonna take it really slow with the 100K account. But since we have this 50K that's sitting still $700 in profit, so we're good on there. But this other 50K I have is close to getting blown. How much did we lose on this account? 1,000. Yeah, we have $400, $500, $600 of headroom on this account. Actually, it's around $800 headroom on this account, so that's fine. We're gonna trade them all. I'm gonna trade them all together. Literally, got a lot of journaling to do. So yeah, you guys see me literally say fuck that. Bought more accounts. Did some emotional trading on this account. I could have closed it, been up 1,500. You guys seen, but I literally just didn't. I was no longer here, bro. I left the chat. Click buy, went up, didn't close, got liquidated on the quakes. You guys seen that? But nevertheless, our 51K on this brand new evaluation, which is good. But now I'm gonna have to pay, if I do pass all these accounts, now I'm gonna have to pay $600 to activate them. But I'm not purchasing more accounts, bro. We're maxed out. We're 4 accounts deep. Like, I'm not gonna over leverage myself or do anything like that. But truth be told, these accounts that I'm in drawdown, the 100K and this 50K, I'm gonna go ahead and link them through Tradeovate, and I'm gonna trade those 2 accounts since they're in drawdown respectfully, and with the other 2. So I'm only gonna do 1 contract on these accounts, these that you're looking at right now, until I build up at least to break even, and we'll be good. I also don't want to take them into next month, so we're gonna play strategical. We're gonna rationalize and understand what's happening, because clearly today was a little, I missed that big ass trade, bro. I got too caught up in the sauce. It's just insane. Like, these markets, the volatility within these markets, bro, is actually insane. But literally, I missed it by a couple ticks, my entry, because I had a sell limit order, and this thing melted 700 points, bro. Literally a 1 to 28. $200 would have been 3,600, something like that. But anyways, live and learn. Gotta trade smarter tomorrow. Got some journaling to do. Hope you guys enjoyed the trade breakdown. But as you guys see, man, I'm trying to deal with these concepts I have in my head too. Sometimes I'm not as disciplined as I should be, but nevertheless, we're making progress, man. Goes to show, man, even though you know what you're doing, it doesn't matter, because psychology kicks in and the emotions of being a human conflict with your trading sometimes. And literally, the NASDAQ trade I opened, I was staring at the P&L. I was up 1,500 and I was just watching it, bro. I didn't even close. So it was like things like that. I kept moving my stop loss, as you guys seen. The risk could have limited the loss, but we got full stomped out. So this is what I'm trying to show you guys. Like, I have errors that I'm trying to work on as well. This one, we thankfully made profit we needed, but this one as well, I could have made the profit I needed, but I was illogical. It's all good though. We live, we learn, we prepare, and we adapt. You guys know what's going on. Hope you guys enjoyed the transparency. I'm a little got a lot of things on my mind just because of how I treated that, but this is the type of transparency I want to show you guys, because it's not only trading, you gotta deal with numbers and finances, so there's a lot that goes into it. But nevertheless, stay persistent, stay diligent. Today I lacked a little bit of discipline. Not a little bit, I did lack discipline. Literally forgot about my trading rules. If I would have remembered, if I would have read this before entering the markets today, I would have been more disciplined towards what I was doing. But the fact that I got emotional over the stomp out down here, even though I knew it was gonna reverse, and then we did get that 1,500 points, and then it came down a little bit and wicked us out. So take everything as you want, just learn from your mistakes. Always, there's lessons hidden in everything that you find not suitable for yourself. Learn the lessons, don't keep repeating the same mistake, or else you're gonna be in the same position. We gotta adapt, literally. But anyways, I appreciate everyone tuning in. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to drop a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know some tips and tricks I can use to implement in my trading, just so I could be more profitable, more consistent. Unfortunately today, first trade was, well, second trade would have been amazing, but we got left. Okay, a lot to learn today. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Hope this was at least a little bit knowledgeable. I'm gonna go ahead and start editing YouTube videos for you guys. Make sure to check out Matthew Nunez vlogs. I'm uploading on that channel, and stay tuned for everything that's to come. Trade safe, be smart, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.